Welcome to the Yamaha MT-09 showroom, a place where innovation, performance, and style come together to redefine the essence of motorcycling. This is not just a motorcycle, it is a symbol of Yamaha's relentless pursuit of excellence, crafted to deliver an unparalleled riding experience. With every detail meticulously designed, the MT-09 stands as a masterpiece of engineering and artistry, built for those who demand the best in performance, technology, and aesthetics. At the core of the Yamaha MT-09 is its beating heart, a powerful 889cc liquid-cooled, inline 3-cylinder engine. This advanced powerplant utilizes Yamaha's signature crossplane crankshaft technology, a feature that delivers exceptional torque, linear power delivery, and a distinct exhaust note that sets the MT-09 apart from anything else on the road. The engine produces an exhilarating surge of power that is not just felt but experienced, making every twist of the throttle an invitation to explore the limits of performance. Whether you're navigating tight city streets, carving through winding mountain roads, or opening up on a straightaway, the MT-09 delivers power and responsiveness that leave you craving more. The engineering brilliance doesn't stop at the engine. The MT-09 is built around a lightweight aluminum frame that strikes the perfect balance between rigidity and flexibility. This innovative design provides the rider with exceptional handling and stability, allowing for precise control in every corner and at every speed. Whether you're an experienced rider or someone transitioning to a higher performance machine, the MT-09's agile chassis inspires confidence, making it a joy to ride in any environment. Complementing its frame is a state-of-the-art suspension system, designed to adapt seamlessly to a variety of riding conditions. Fully adjustable front forks and a high-performance rear shock ensure a smooth, comfortable ride, while also providing the firmness needed for aggressive cornering and high-speed stability. Riders of the MT-09 SP variant benefit even further, with Öhlins suspension components that elevate handling and comfort to a whole new level. With such adaptability, the MT-09 is not just a motorcycle, it's a partner that works with you, enhancing your riding experience with every mile. As with all Yamaha machines, the MT-09 is infused with cutting-edge technology that ensures a riding experience that is both exhilarating and safe. The bike features a ride-by-wire throttle system that allows for precise control over engine performance, along with multiple riding modes that let you tailor the bike's behavior to suit your preferences and road conditions. From sport mode for aggressive performance to standard and rain modes for smoother, more controlled power delivery, the MT-09 adapts to you. Safety and control are further enhanced by an advanced electronics suite that includes traction control, slide control, and wheelie control systems. These features work together seamlessly to keep the bike stable and manageable, even in challenging conditions. Additionally, a quick shifter system allows for clutchless upshifts, ensuring smooth and rapid acceleration when you need it most. With every feature designed to work harmoniously, the MT-09 offers a level of sophistication and control that elevates the riding experience to new heights. The centerpiece of the rider interface is the full-color TFT display, which provides all the information you need at a glance. From speed and gear position to riding mode and traction control settings, the display is clear, intuitive, and easy to navigate. This modern touch reinforces the bike's high-tech feel and ensures that you're always in command. But the Yamaha MT-09 isn't just about performance and technology, it's also a work of art. Its aggressive, futuristic styling captures the spirit of a true naked bike, with bold, angular lines that exude power and purpose. The compact LED headlights and taillights not only enhance visibility but also add to the bike's striking visual appeal. Every detail, from the sculpted fuel tank to the minimalistic tail section, has been carefully designed to create a motorcycle that looks as good as it performs. The MT-09's ergonomic design ensures that form follows function. Its upright riding position strikes the perfect balance between comfort and control, making it ideal for long rides as well as spirited short trips. The wide handlebars and carefully positioned footpegs offer a natural feel, reducing rider fatigue and allowing for greater maneuverability. Whether you're navigating through heavy traffic or exploring open roads, the MT-09 provides a comfortable and engaging ride that keeps you connected to the machine. In addition to its performance and design, the MT-09 offers a level of versatility that sets it apart from other motorcycles in its class. This is a bike that can do it all, from commuting to spirited weekend rides to long-distance touring. Its lightweight and agile nature make it easy to handle in urban environments, while its powerful engine and advanced suspension make it equally at home on twisty backroads and highways. For riders who demand a motorcycle that can keep up with their adventurous lifestyle, the MT-09 is the perfect choice. For those seeking an even more premium experience, the MT-09 SP takes things to the next level. With upgraded suspension, a special color scheme, and additional features like cruise control, the SP variant is designed for riders who want the ultimate in performance and luxury. It's a testament to Yamaha's commitment to offering something for every type of rider, ensuring that no matter what you're looking for in a motorcycle, the MT-09 lineup has you covered. The Yamaha MT-09 is more than just a machine, it's a statement of individuality, a celebration of freedom, and a testament to the thrill of riding. It embodies Yamaha's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what a motorcycle can be, blending performance, technology, and design into a package that is as thrilling to look at as it is to ride. Whether you're a seasoned rider looking for your next challenge or someone new to the world of high-performance motorcycles, the Yamaha MT-09 is ready to take you on a journey like no other. With its unmatched combination of power, agility, and sophistication, this motorcycle is a true game changer, redefining what it means to ride. Step into the world of the Yamaha MT-09 and experience the pinnacle of engineering and design. This is more than a motorcycle, it's a revolution, a passion, and a way of life. Yamaha MT-09, where innovation meets exhilaration.